In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to voice type in Google Sheets. If you are on Windows 10 or Windows 11, here is a fast, built-in way to speak your text directly into any cell, which can save time and reduce typing fatigue. All you need is your Google Sheet open in your browser and a working microphone. Here is how it works. First, click into the exact cell where you want your words to appear. Make sure you actually see the blinking cursor inside that cell, because whatever you say will go right there. With the cell active, press the Windows key plus H on your keyboard. That opens Windows Dictation, a small overlay that listens to your voice and converts your speech into text. As soon as you see it listening, just start talking naturally and you'll see your words appear directly in the cell. Keep your sentences clear and at a steady pace. If you want punctuation, say it out loud as you go, like comma, period, question mark, or new line when you want to move to another line inside the same cell. Short bursts often work best. Speak a phrase, pause to check what appeared, and then continue. If something doesn't come out perfectly, it's easy to fix by placing your cursor where needed and making a quick keyboard correction. A few tips for better accuracy: choose a quiet environment. Face your microphone and enunciate names or specialized terms a bit more clearly than usual. If you are entering simple labels, notes, or quick descriptions, voice typing can be incredibly efficient. For complex formulas or precise data entry, you may still prefer to type those manually to avoid small transcription errors. If you don't see any text appear, double-check that the cell is selected, your microphone is connected and not muted, and that the dictation overlay is visible after pressing Windows key plus H. Sometimes just reselecting the cell and trying the shortcut again gets things moving. Also remember that voice typing follows the cursor, so be sure you haven't clicked out of the sheet or into the formula bar unintentionally. When you are finished, simply stop speaking and continue working in your sheet. You can move to another cell and repeat the same process anytime. Click the cell, press Windows key plus H, and talk. It's that simple. That's all you need to start voice typing in Google Sheets on Windows 10 or 11. Give it a try the next time you are adding notes, brainstorming, or capturing information quickly. Thanks for watching.